everyone and welcome back to my channel. There are a lot of things that have changed in the past few months. The background is one of those things. So in this video I just wanted to let you guys know what's been going on in my life, give you guys an update, kind of talk to you about what's been going on with my work and some new and fun, exciting things that have been going on in my life that I'm really excited to share with you. So I just want to share with you because I haven't filmed a video in so long and I've gotten so many new subscribers, so I just want to fill you guys in on what's been happening in my life. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Bridget. I'm an introverted coach for women. I also do a lot of fun things in my spare time, which I'm going to talk to you guys about today. But before we get into the video, I just wanted to make sure you guys subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like this video if you found it helpful or useful, or if you just enjoyed. I'm going to be leaving my link to my Facebook group below, so if any of you guys are interested and you're introverted or have social anxiety, it's an awesome group filled with amazing people who are probably on the same journey as you are if you clicked on this video or if you clicked on my other videos. That was such a chaotic intro. Oh gosh, I haven't filmed a video in so long. It's so hard to like coordinate my words. And I'm definitely like the type of person who is like really OCD in terms of I want everything to be perfect. So when I'm editing a video and I have stutters or I'm like going all over the place, I just want to like the video, you know what I mean? So this video is going to be very hard to edit. Anyways, just getting started. I haven't filmed a video in 2 months, and part of the reason is because my life has been a little bit chaotic in the past couple of months. I moved, hence the new background that we've got going on here. Me and my husband bought a house. We got a 3-bedroom, and the house needed a lot of fixing up. Well, not a lot of fixing up, but I was kind of in charge of like setting up in the house, not because I was obligated to, but because I like to. I'm a very creative person and I like designing things, which I'm going to talk about in today's video also. But I like designing things. I like, you know, setting things up, coordinating things, and getting creative with things. So I wanted to do most of the work in the house. So it was kind of like my job to set things up. So I was going over like, you know, a couple times a week to the house before we moved in, which we closed on it like a month before we actually moved in. So I was going over pretty frequently and just setting things up, painting, getting things together, you know, meeting with people that were coming to the house and whatnot. So it was just, you know, a lot was going on, and I was spending a decent amount of time at the house. So I just really didn't have time to film a video. I didn't have time to, you know, do this side thing. But another thing that I started doing even before we started moving into the house was, I don't know if you guys follow Quasi, my husband, Quasi Joe here. He is the founder of realitycreator.com. So if any of you guys know him, I did a portrait for him for Christmas, and it was like the first time I really started getting back into my art, which if you guys seen my previous videos, you know that something I always talk about is like getting into your hobbies and stuff. So this is something I've been really getting into ever since then. I kind of just wanted to create, and you know, I was doing some side pieces for family and friends, and I ended up opening my own Etsy shop, which I'll be linking down below. But you can see I have a lot of different types of pieces. So I do right now mostly 2 types of work. It's digital and hand drawn using graphite. Ever since we moved to the house, I've been like dabbling in painting, which I haven't done in like probably 4 years. So you can see this situation going on here. That's something I've been working on because I've been seeing so many things as I've gotten to my more creative sense with the house and decorating and everything. I've been looking online and looking at artwork because I really want to get like big artwork pieces. and I've been looking online, and there are so many things that are so expensive that to me seem so simple and something that I can create myself. I ended up ordering a 3 feet by 4 feet canvas on Amazon, which going into it, I totally knew it was 3 feet by 4 feet. It just seemed so much bigger than I actually thought it was going to be. And if you see me looking over here, it's because I have another one over here. So I ended up ordering 4. But this one, but then there's also this one. I don't know. Sometimes it's like the more I look at these things, the more I hate them. So I try not to, which it just is just me in general. I'm overly critical of myself, so sometimes it's not the best when I like stare at something for too long. That's another thing that's been going on, like my art, the move, starting the Etsy store. I've kind of been pulling back from some of my other work, but I'm okay with that. I'm trying to just, you know, take things as they are, and I don't know, it's like I'm confused. Like, I talk about my mental health here on this channel all the time, and with the move and everything and just things being all over the place and me not having a set routine, it's been very, very difficult. I will say that, but it's also been pretty rewarding because I feel like I'm grateful because I can do this, but I feel like for the first time in my life, I'm finally starting to do things that I really like to do. And again, I'm super grateful that I have the opportunity to do so, but I don't know, it's been crazy. Like, I just feel like I haven't really had the time to do what's necessary. And also, at the same time, I've definitely been procrastinating. So it's like, I procrastinate to the point where I don't have the time because I have to do other things. You know what I mean? Like, I have set obligations at other times of the day. So, I don't know. I'm just not making the most of my time, but I really want to dedicate more of my energy into what I've been creating, like for the past few months. I'm super, super proud of it. If you guys get the opportunity to check it out, I really urge you to do so. I don't know. I just love creating, and I love seeing people's expressions when they get that creativity that's like personalized to them. I made this piece for my grandma for Christmas, not this past year, but the year before that, and it was a portrait of her and my grandpa, who had passed at the time, recently passed that is, and just the expression on her face when she received that gift, and the expression on, you know, my aunt's faces, because that was, you know, that's their mom and their dad that had passed. It was just incredible to see, you know, because you spent energy and time into bringing that piece to life. You put your own twist on it, and you put your own creativity into it, and then you watch that person open that gift and see it, you know, and hold it, and then hang it up in their house. It's just so rewarding to see. So I love that aspect of, you know, all of that I've been doing for the past few months as well. But okay, so I feel like I've just kind of been rambling for so long, and I really kind of want to get this video towards the end here. I'm definitely going to be doing the videos that I've been doing, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on what I've been, you know, what's been going on in my life. I don't know if any of you guys really care, but I know I've had, like, since I've been gone, since I haven't posted any videos, like, I've gotten a decent amount of subscribers. So I just really want to let you guys know that I'm still here. I'm still, my cat, I'm still persevering. I'm still wanting to make these videos. I just have been a little bit like all over the place, but now that I'm here, I'm settled. I've got a somewhat of a set routine down. I think these videos will be a lot easier to make. I'm planning on going back to the 2 videos a week, maybe 1 video a week. We'll see. Hopefully this video gets posted tomorrow. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you watched until the end, thank you so much. And those of you who are new to the channel, again, thank you for coming on, watching till the end if you did. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.